Strongly justifying the decision to go for direct purchase of 36 off-the-block Rafale fighter jets, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar termed it a strategic purchase, which forms a critical requirement of the Indian Air Force. He also assured that the deal was on much better terms than the MMRCA negotiations, and was confident that history will prove PM's decision as the right one.
Decision of a leader who knows what is leadership, who knows what is our requirement. And he has taken a bold decision. Maybe some people will criticize it, but I'm sure that the history will say that this is one of the decisions which changed the full concept of. In fact, I feel that buy global clause should be diluted in that DPP. Right. Buy global should be government to government.
Replying to questions arising within the party, Parrikar sounded confident of convincing his party colleagues on the veracity of the deal.
I will one day invite him to explain the scenario.
Okay.
His reaction possibly may be based on a instant news. Indian Air Force ने decide किया है राफेल के बारे में.
जी.
मैंने जो मेरा information, because I am also technical person and keeping a lot of interest in defense equipment and top end वो ये reading मेरा बहुत रहता है पहले से defense minister होने के पहले से. So from my reading and my information also, I can say that this is one of the best.
Asked about the emotive issue of one rank, one pension, particularly for veterans, the defence minister stated in no uncertain terms that the blueprint was almost ready and he would not be surprised if it was the Prime Minister's gift on the first anniversary of the present government.
मेरे हिसाब से मैंने जो टाइमलाइन दी है कि मैक्सिमम हमारा सरकार आने के बाद 1 बरस में उससे कई पहले मतलब अगला जो इसमें कर सकूंगा ऐसा मुझे विश्वास है. अगला जो बजट का सेशन है उसमें मैं कर सकूंगा. मेरी तो इच्छा है कि प्रधानमंत्री 1 बरस के इसमें इसके बारे में डायरेक्ट क्या बोलते हैं उसको चेक या ऑर्डर दे दे.
While Make in India and technology transfer dominate as far as the present defence procurement policy is concerned, Parrikar also indicated that the DPP will also be re-examined by a committee shortly. Newsnight Desk, DD News.